You want to start your own online business or side hustle? This short clip is for you. So, one of the biggest questions that I always get is, how can I start an online business? What do I need to do? And I usually share 3 steps through which you can start an online business. The first is idea creation. This is where you are able to identify the various opportunities or problems that you can resolve. The second thing that you need to do is you set it up. This will call for setting up a domain, a website, a product, or a service that you'll be offering. And the last thing you will do is getting it out there so that people can know and can buy. Now, I've made it simple for you. I've been able to come up with what I think is a good idea and will be making you money. So, WhatsApp has over 2 billion users. I was thinking of how you can tap them and start a business around it. And so, lazozia.com. The idea is already there. You don't need to do any setup. You just hit the road with your own business. So, what will happen here? So, I'm going to give you this software. It's a WhatsApp marketing software. I'm going to give you this software. You sell it as a standalone software, or I'm going even to create a website for you if you want such a website through which you're going to host and sell the product. What is the product? Here it is. So let's check about the features so that you see what you'll be getting yourself into. This is a WhatsApp marketing system that you can be able to do campaigns, online campaigns. It comes with anti-ban. One of the biggest problems that people face is where WhatsApp blocks you. So it comes with anti-ban features that can help you not to get blocked. And also it comes with delay management system. It has a modern material design, and you can actually even scrape links from the web. You can get group members from any group. You can get extract from Google. You can extract data from Google for you to run your campaign. So I'll also provide you with the source code, and any updates that will happen in future, you will have them so that you can start your business immediately without a second thought. So, what is a time and money commitment? Number one, I have told you, you don't need to think about it. Number two, I'll do all the setups for you. Number three, you'll have the product ready for you to hit the road. So, what is needed from you then? This is what is needed. Just here, come here. So, at only 199 bucks, you get a white labeled business for you. So, you get even the source code in case you want to make any changes to the platform. And you will have 100% resale right, all for you. So, what are you waiting? At least for the people who ask, what can I do? This is one of the things that you can do immediately. Just reach out and you begin immediately. Not yesterday. You are going to be right now. Thank you and goodbye for now. See you on the next one. Share widely, kindly.